Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pink Villa.
Hi guys, so I'm now gonna give you some inside deets from the BTS of Lukka Chupi. And the first one is this scene, which the trailer kind of starts from. I think Rashmi's state of mind here is she did not expect it. She doesn't know this guy for way too long to marry him. If you see the scene eventually in the film is I'm a little restless and I don't know what to do. And at the end I just calm down and I'm like, मुझे लगता है हमें live in करना चाहिए. So that was how the scene was. ये कब बनाया था मैंने एक्सप्रेशन? मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा. Is it the strawberry? It is the strawberry. Yeah. So हमारा जो चीकू है फिल्म में, who is the notorious person on set, he basically in the film finds strawberry packet under the pillow. You know what I mean? And obviously that leads to a lot of chaos and we're like, oh my god, so this is the oh my god. That's one of my favorite tracks from the film. Coca-Cola has been on my playlist since a very long time and I was super thrilled when I got to know that this track is going to be used in our film because I was dying to dance on it. I love the hook step of it. I think it's done more than 100 million, which is superb. So this is the nosy पड़ोसन आंटी जो सबके घर के आसपास कहीं ना कोई एक होगी ही होगी जिसको अपने घर में कम इंटरेस्ट होता है और दूसरों के घर में ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट होता है. एंड दिस इज़ अ सीन वेयर शी आस्क कि आपकी शादी को कितना टाइम हुआ है. एंड क्योंकि हमारी शादी हुई नहीं है और हम नाटक कर रहे हैं, हम दोनों को पता ही नहीं है. आई से 1 साल, ही से 6 महीने, देन आई से 6 महीने, ही से 1 साल. एंड यहाँ पे हमारी थोड़ी पोल जो है वो खुल जाती है इन द फिल्म. हैप्पीली मैरिड कपल फ्रॉम नो एंगल. सो या हमारी शादी हुई नहीं है लेकिन हम दूल्हा दुल्हन की तरह ड्रेस्ड अप हैं और हम चाह रहे थे कि हमारी शादी हो जाए, लेकिन जो पंडित जी थे वो पंडित जी नहीं थे और वो आलू चाट की रेडी वाले थे. सो हमारी शादी नहीं होती है. आई फाइंड दिस एक्चुअली अ वेरी कॉन्स्टिपेटेड लुक. ओके, लेट्स नॉट गो इन डिटेल ऑफ दैट. अगेन यहाँ पे शादी का जोड़ा नहीं है बट शादी हो रही है. एंड वीव टेकन 2 days टू शूट दिस, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, बिकॉज वो आग जो थी वो एक छोटे से रूम में जल रही थी. एंड आफ्टर एवरी some 15 minutes it used to become like full smoky in the room and we couldn't shoot further. And the best thing is when this scene ends and अपार का डाटा ख़त्म हो जाता है. That is like the punchline where it's like everything is going right and you're finally feeling like oh शादी हो जाएगी, and we are like really excited and we're feeling that whole शादीशुदा वाला feeling is coming in, and suddenly मंत्र stops and he's like डाटा ख़त्म हो गया is the worst thing. मतलब after that we were like इससे बुरा तो कुछ हो नहीं सकता. This is the point जब डाटा ख़त्म हो जाता है. I love him, yeah. Pankaj ji, well I've worked with him in Bareilly Ki Barfi also, and it was a very different experience there because he was playing my father and I think it was the most adorable father-daughter relationship ever. Now suddenly my first scene with him is this one where he says मुझे भी चाहिए, which is really maha ashleel I feel. Before that scene he was like यार तुम तो बिट्टी हो ना, मैं तुम्हें ऐसे कैसे बोलूँ, थोड़ा अजीब लग रहा है. And he had to literally like check me out, like he had to look down and up and then say the dialogue. So it was really funny, but he's a fabulous actor. So when the camera rolls, all of that goes away and that bitti and father-daughter feeling goes away and he becomes Babulal. This is one of the moments from the song Duniya, which is again one of my favorite tracks. I would actually tell you one behind the scene of this particular shot. We had shot this on Gwalior Fort, okay, and there were a lot of people. There was like a lot of जनता there. And जहाँ पे हम चल रहे थे उसके right सामने कैमरा था और कैमरा के पीछे बहुत सारे स्टेयर्स थे जहाँ पे मतलब मूवी देखने जाते हैं तो पॉपकॉर्न लेकर जनता बैठती है जैसे पूरे सीट्स पे एक रो पे, वैसे लोग बैठे हुए थे. एंड आफ्टर एवरी कट दे यूज्ड टू रियली applaud and tell us कि अच्छा हुआ है. So we had a live audience happening there, sitting there and giving us like live feedback, which was amazing and it felt great because after every take we used to feel हमने बहुत ही अच्छा किया है, जबकि हमने 15 take दी होंगी इस single shot के. This is again one of the moments from Dunia. Now Dunia is our Dunia of living, you know, where we live together and the small moments that we create. This is just me having tikki. I basically eat and I feel like a lot of mirchi, and he, being the caring boyfriend, just turns around, doesn't see water, sees this uncle having papadi, which is half eaten, takes it from him and gives it to me, and I eat it, and then I realize it's jhoota of this uncle who doesn't even have teeth, and I'm like grossed out. So it was a funny moment, and the uncle was damn cute. उनकी शक्ल अच्छे से दिखी नहीं है गाने में, but he was damn cute. This is a moment from the song Photo, where you can see he's clicking my photo here. And this is like the beginning of their love, or actually from here it's his love that starts. You know, where he's mesmerized by this girl and I'm playing with the kids and I'm actually, कुछ दिखाया नहीं है मैं खेल क्या रही हूँ, but I'm playing Stapu. If you know what Stapu is. So I was playing Stapu and I was on one leg. So yeah, it was fun. This is that पंडित जो पंडित नहीं है और आलू चाट की रेडी चलाता है, जिसको बस पंडित बना के ले आए हैं यहाँ पर. Here you see a lot of strawberries. Here and here, so many of them. I don't know what he was thinking that he's kept so many. But this is a very, very cute scene where it's their first night of the living together, and he's getting all ready and prepared for the night. And she's not wanting, she just pretends like she wants to sleep. And मतलब वो उसकी भावनाएं यहाँ तक पहुँचकर फिर उसके बाद फुस हो जाती हैं, and then वो turn करता है, and then she says, protection है क्या? And he just jumps up like this and shows her like all of it. Okay guys, that's about it. I hope you all had a lot of fun, and I hope my behind the scene talking was as interesting